Good morning from the parking lot of Harley-Davidson of Scottsdale. I have to think about that because I say it wrong all the time. So Patty here stopped by. You're from Fresno, California. Picked her wild ass up here. It's tongue twister. Early Saturday morning. Picked her wild ass up here on the lot last year. Tell us, you had to come by and tell me how much you loved it.
Oh, I love it. My butt was hurting really bad from Fresno, California over here. So we came here. You know, some of our friends have Harleys. And we saw your little setup here, and we tried it out, and I love mine, that's for sure.
Love it. And you said a whole group of your friends have them now.
Yes.
And they're right here, some of them, but don't want to be on camera.
My name's Nick. Rode 400 miles, and my ass don't hurt.
Nice. Thanks, Nick. How about you?
I'm JR. Love it.
All right. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You'll see this on social media. Follow us there at Wild Ass. Here we are, Harley-Davidson of Scottsdale. We'll be here for the rest of today, and then we go home, back to the wonderful, cold Minnesota.
Oh, wow.
See you guys soon.